Hey guys, this is Angenett with a perspective vision. Before I go to bed, I wanted to answer some questions to my friends that inboxed me, wanted to know how they can fix their credit if they can't afford to pay someone to fix it for them. I have a wonderful tool that I want you to take a look at. I want you to research it. What I plan to do is for you, my friends, I am going to take you on a journey with me as I boost my credit score. I am planning on purchasing a home within the next year, and so I wanted to try to have as close to a 800 credit score as I can. I am going to be using the My Econ credit repair system, and I wanted you to take the journey with me so we can do this. All I want you to do is, if you have $99 to purchase the plan, that's all you need. $99 up front. You go in and you purchase the plan. I will include the link at the bottom of this video. Make sure you click on that because we are going to take this journey together. For those of you that really need to increase your credit, you need to repair your credit, and you need to boost your credit score, I am going to go through this step by step. I'm going to be using the My Econ credit repair system. I'm going to start from the beginning to the end. I will be recording every week, going live every week, showing you my process. I'm going to start out showing you what my credit score is right now. And then week by week, I'm going to show you what I'm doing to increase it, what I need to do, the paperwork that I'm filling out if I need to send something. So that way, you can do it too. You can boost your credit score because some of you are afraid to do it because you don't know what to do. You don't want to mess it up. And you just afraid to dive at it because you're not familiar with the terms and you're not familiar with the process. So join me. Don't be afraid. I'm going to hold your hand. I'm going to be your mentor. If you have any questions, inbox me and let's do this. Let's do this the next couple months. I want you to click the link below. Click the link below. Go ahead and buy the credit repair system. And next week, I am going to go live. I'm going to start it off from the beginning, and I'm going to take the process slow with you every week, so that way we can do this together. You don't have to pay anybody $89 a month or $99 a month. You don't have to pay $300 or $400 to try to get someone to fix your credit score. We are going to do this together, and it's only $99. That's it. That's all you're paying. That is a major investment to get the house that you want, or to get the car that you want, or to get that dream business that you want, right? You've been trying to get this loan, this grant, and they're telling you that you need to have a better credit score. So here's your chance to do it, and I'm going to do it with you. Here's your chance to do it. And I'm going to do it with you. So let's go, team. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's go, guys. Come on. I know you could do it. Click the link below. Inbox me and say, let's go or let's eat. And then we're going to do it next week. I'll announce when I'm going to go live. I'll announce it like an hour before I go live. So that way you can know, you can see it. And then I'll save it on YouTube so you can go back and rewatch it. If you miss something, you can go back at it. Let's do this, guys. I'm going to be with you through the whole process. Don't forget, click like, click the link, go ahead and sign up for the credit repair system, and then inbox me and let me know you done it and say, let's eat or let's go. Gotcha.